inviting me here. And kanina while watching yung sumasayaw, no, yung dance presentation kanina, nakita ko may mga pamaypay pa. No. Pero dito ngayon kahit walang pamaypay, may hangin na lumalabas. I just want to mention yung transition, no, from history, yung pinagdaanan natin at yung improvement. Dati yung camera malalaki, no? Ngayon puro cellphone lang nakikita natin. What I want to say is, while we are advancing sa ating technology, hindi natin dapat kalimutan kung saan tayo nanggaling. So kung saan nanggaling yung Datupyang, maganda at may ganitong araw na pag-alala sa pinanggalingan ng ating bayan. So nagpapasalamat ako na may mga ganito, baka kasi makalimutan na ng mga kabataan kung saan tayo galing. Kaya minsan masarap magbalik tanaw kung saan tayo nanggaling. Minsan yung mga sayaw na moderno na palitan natin ng mga makaluma. Makaluma siya kung tawagin, pero maraming ibig sabihin. So nagpapasalamat ako sa araw na ito na inano ng ating leadership ng Datupyang na malaman ng mga kabataan kung saan sila nanggaling, dahil ako ay nanggaling din dito 30 years ago. No. Sabi nga ni Mayor, na-assign ako dito when I was second lieutenant. So maganda na magkaroon ng ganito to see our improvement and to see where we are going. Maraming salamat.
Thank you so much, General Cato. Okay, let's move on. I am privileged to hear from a leader whose unwavering dedication has been a cornerstone of the promotion of quality education in the province of Maguindanao del Sur. With a career spanning to a great number of years of exemplary service, this official in the Department of Education has various initiatives for the promotion of quality education in the entire division of Maguindanao. Ladies and gentlemen, help me join me in welcoming the Schools Division Superintendent of SDO Maguindanao del Sur Division, no less than Dr. Alma M. Nur, PSD.
Auzubillahiminasyaitonirrajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My respect to our Honorable Governor, Dato Ali Midtimbang Alhaj, Dato sa Talayan. Of course, our Honorable Mayor of Datupyang Municipality, Dato Victor Samamang, and his Vice Mayor, Honorable Dato Muhammad Omar Abdi Samamang. Sir General Cato and Sir Barkley, all other officials who are around, and distinct families. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi jami'an wa barakatuh. Of course, the school heads, teachers, and students, magandang umaga po sa atin lahat. This year's theme, In Faith We Flourish, honoring 89 years of blessings and the rhythm of Kulintang, beautifully captures the soul of municipality's journey. Alhamdulillah. In Faith We Flourish reflects the community's steadfast belief in Allah, in unity, and in one another. Faith that has guided the town through challenges and victories across 89 remarkable years. It reminds us that progress is not only measured in infrastructure or development, but in the strength of the people, the resilience of families, and the shared hope that keeps the community moving forward, inshallah. Honoring 89 years of blessings pays tribute the generations who built, nurtured, and sustained the municipality. Leaders, educators, workers, parents, and youth whose sacrifices transformed dreams into reality. Every year is a blessing, every milestone a testament to the town's courage, perseverance, and gratitude. The rhythms of Kulintang symbolizes the community's vibrant cultural heritage. The kulintang, with its synchronized melodies, mirrors the way the people work together, each individual contributing a unique sound, yet performing one powerful, beautiful rhythm. It celebrates the richness of tradition, the strength of indigenous artistry, and the heartbeat of the local culture that continues to inspire pride among the people of Batupiang, Alhamdulillah. Together, the theme invites everyone to honor the past, celebrate the present, and move forward with the faith, gratitude, and cultural pride as the municipality enters its next chapter. As we celebrate this special day, we embrace this year's theme. Sana yung theme? In faith we flourish, honoring 89 years of blessings and the rhythms of Kulintang. It is a reminder that our progress as a community is rooted in faith in Allah, in our leaders, in our families, and in our youth. For 89 years, this town has received the blessings that shape our identity and strengthen our resolve. Unlike the harmonious rhythm of the Kulintang, our diverse voices, talents, and culture come together to create one melody of unity and progress. Mabuhay ang Datupiang Municipality! Mabuhay ang mga taga-Datupiang! Mabuhay ang lahat ng pamilyang namumuno dito! Happy 89th founding anniversary! Congratulations! Pagpalain Bangsamoro!
Thank you so much. There you have it, no? The Schools Division Superintendent of Division of Maguindanao del Sur. Yan.